Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start coaching on Kajabi. Whether you're launching your first coaching program or expanding your offerings, Kajabi makes it simple to set up both one-on-one and group coaching sessions directly through their platform. Let's walk through the entire setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your coaching business, from sessions to pricing. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on your site name. This is especially important if you manage multiple Kajabi sites, as you'll want to make sure you're working on the correct one. Selecting the right site ensures all your coaching setup appears exactly where you need it. Now turn your attention to the left navigation panel on your dashboard. Click on Products, and an expanded window will appear showing various product options. From this menu, select the option labeled Coaching. This is your gateway to creating and managing all your coaching programs. Under the coaching menu, you'll see a Get Started button. Click on it to begin building your coaching program from scratch. This button launches the setup wizard that will guide you through each configuration step. You'll now be directed to the coaching details page. Here, you'll need to fill in essential information like your coaching title, coach name, and a description of what you offer. You can also upload a thumbnail image to make your program visually appealing. These fields are optional, but adding them helps potential clients understand what you're offering. Once you've filled in your details, click Continue. Next, you'll choose your program type. Decide whether you want to offer one-on-one coaching or group coaching sessions. Then specify how many sessions you'll provide as part of this program. This flexibility allows you to tailor your offerings to different client needs. Click Continue when you're ready. On the Schedule Preferences page, select your scheduling platform. Kajabi will show you available scheduling tools or links you can attach to streamline bookings. You'll also need to choose a location for your sessions, whether that's Kajabi's built-in live video feature, a custom link like Zoom, or even a physical location if you're meeting in person. Don't forget to set your session duration so clients know exactly how long each meeting will last. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Now it's time to customize the appearance of your coaching page. Choose a primary color for links and icons and an accent color for call to action forms and buttons. These visual choices help your coaching program align with your brand identity. Click Continue to move forward. Finally, you'll reach the pricing section. Here, decide whether you want to offer free coaching sessions or set a paid rate. This is where you define the value of your time and expertise. Once you've made your selection, click Save and Finish to complete your coaching program setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.